Concrete shadows whisper in my ear. Empty streets hum a lowly fear. Neon flickers where the dawn won't stay. Lonely eyes chase the night away. Cardboard palace under moonlit skies. Dreams escape into heavy skies. Footsteps echo but they fade so quick. Heart keeps a rhythm but my chest feels thick. Lost in a city that I used to know. Melancholy streets where the winds don't blow. Every beat a memory I can't outgrow. I dance along with the rhythm of a woe. Skyscrapers rise like a steel cage tight. Homesick tears blur the city lights. Laughter is absent, only silence thrives in the city's hum where the